What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion. It's carbon fiber time again. It's carbon fiber time again because another shipment of Fullsix carbon landed at our warehouses and I went picking through them. There's a lot of new pieces for the 2025 Panigale V4. I'm not going to go through each one what I'm holding here, but mostly they're gloss carbon fiber. There's some satin carbon there as well. I want you guys to watch the video and let me know what you think and how it looks. It's not just that though, we have also another piece that showed up from Italy, a Ducati piece. It's actually a brand new seat for a 2025 Panigale V4. I don't know if you're watching and if you own a Panigale V4, a 2025 Panigale V4, that seat, it's probably good for track day, but for street use, it's not the nicest looking seat, nor is the most comfortable seat. We're about to change that as well. Enough talking, more working. Let's get some parts on this bike. I look a little different because we had some audio troubles yesterday when we were filming this video, but I don't want to skip over the details. We installed our ignition cover in the front and our passenger seat cover in the back. I call them the details because they're super easy to install. They're kind of small parts that have a big impact on the motorcycle. There's also this rear tail section that's carbon fiber, but I think that's not the look we're going for on the phase one of this build. On the phase one, we're going to take all the dull black plastic parts and replace them with carbon fiber. And eventually this bike will become full carbon fiber, including the fuel tank and the complete rear subframe. If you're looking for the passenger seat cover, we have them in Fullsix, in gloss and satin carbon, also from Ducati Performance and satin carbon as well. But I'll let you get back to the video and enjoy the rest of this video. Take a look at this, and then take a look at this. This is the plastic piece that we took off, and this is the Fullsix carbon fiber frame extensions. It's called an extension because this part here is extended all the way to the front. It's looking so good. You have no idea how happy I am that we install these pieces on the bike right now. It has double-sided tape that's applied from Fullsix. It's a breeze to install, unlike the previous generation of the V4 where you have to take the side panels off completely. In this one, you just remove a few bolts, pull it forward, put it in place, and then just bolt everything back together. It looks top-notch. If you caught it, we did our heel guards as well. So we went with satin heel guards because on the other side, we have our exhaust heat shield. I don't like to put gloss over gloss or satin over satin carbon. I like to play with the effect of having some depth in the carbon fiber if it's two other pieces that are going on it. Don't worry, this piece is going to be carbon fiber as well as soon as Fullsix is done producing them. But I got one more carbon piece and then I'm going to tell you where these are going to go and what's inside this box. Next is our carbon fiber front fender. Then we'll continue on showing you what we're doing with these sticky stuff that we removed off the frame. Our Panigale V4 is seatless. It's got a carbon fiber front fender, and I've been waiting for this too, not just you, but this is what was in that Ducati box. This is the Ducati Performance seat for the Panigale V4. Let's take a look at it. I think this says premium. This seat over here, which is the stock seat, this speaks business, I think, because this is very, very aggressive for street. I think it's more of a track-oriented seat. Given the price range of this motorcycle, it should have came with this. Speaking of prices, given this is a Ducati Performance branded product and it's a whole seat, it's not even just a cover, I'm surprised on how affordable and well priced it is. Just like every other item that you see on our videos, this seat is also in the link in the description below, guys. It looks really good. I can't wait to see it on the bike, but before I do that, the stickers that we removed, I usually just put them under my seat because just in case, sometimes when you go to register your bike, they want to see all of the manufacturer stickers that are on there by law, and you just show them under your seat cover because the law doesn't say where they're supposed to be. but it says that you have to have them on your motorcycle. So there it is, it's under the seat now. Let's pop it on the bike. Looks good, let me grab the bolt. That was a quick little carbon fiber fix for our 2025 Panigale V4 project, guys. There is new parts coming up every day, and we're listing new parts on our website every day, so go and check them out. What did we install today? The carbon fiber front fender, the ignition cover with the DBK bolts, the frame covers, our heel guards, and our passenger seat cover in the back. The biggest surprise of the day, for me at least, it was this beautiful seat by Ducati Performance. Why is it a surprise? Number one, it looks really good. I didn't expect the seat to make this much of a difference in the looks of the bike, and we'll report back how good it feels when we take the bike out for a ride. But the other surprise with that seat is that how affordable it is, given that it's a total seat unit, right? It's not just a cover that you gotta go and upholster on it. It makes things pretty easy to swap out, and we'll see how much more comfortable it is, if any. But there's a lot more stuff coming for this bike. We have front suspension, rear suspension, handlebar pieces that are going to be released soon, so look out for that. But until then, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.